Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to explain you how to plot an irregular polygon which have an angle and the distances. So let me show you an example of PDF. So this is an irregular polygon, and in this irregular polygon we have the distance, we know the distances and we know the angle. And how can we plot this irregular polygon with the help of distances and the angle? So in this video I am going to explain you about this concept. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So before that, let's open the AutoCAD software. So this is the sketch, or this is the irregular polygon. Now we are going to plot this in the AutoCAD. So here, first of all, I am going to draw this line. So the length of this line is 150 meters. So before that, let me set the units in the AutoCAD. So go to the AutoCAD software, and with the help of UN command, click on enter. So here I am going to set the units. So here, instead of millimeters, I am choosing the meters. So here it should be international, and here the degrees is in decimal, and click on OK, so that we can able to set the units in the AutoCAD. Now I am going to draw a line. So we need to pick the first point. So with the help of left click on the point, so that we can able to pick the first point. After that, I am giving the distance 150 units, click on enter, so that a line is created. So with a length of 150 units. So we have drawn the line with 150 units, and after that we need to draw these two lines. We know the distance and we know the angle, and we need to draw this line. So first of all, I am going to draw this line with a distance of 275 meters and the angle is 121 degrees. So for that, you need to set the UCS, means Universal Coordinate System. So we need to set this X and Y axis. X axis is parallel to this line. So for that, use the command UCS, click on enter. So keep the origin to this end point of the line. After that, the X axis should be parallel to this line. So for that, select this point, and after that Y axis in this direction. So click on enter, so that our Y direction and X direction, so X direction is parallel to this line, and the angle between this line and the Y axis is 90 degrees. So we need to set this UCS icon, the X axis parallel to this line. So after that, we need to draw the line with a distance of 275 units. So use the command L enter to draw a line. So after that, pick this end point and give the distance as 275 units, 275. So after that, hit the tab button. So after hitting the tab button, we need to specify the angle. So here we can see the angle is taken in the anti-clockwise direction with the reference of X axis. So in our figure, we have an angle. So in our figure, the angle is 121 degrees, reference of this line to this line. So in the AutoCAD, the angle is showing that from this, the total angle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So we know the angle between this line and this line is 121 degrees. So when we subtract the 121 degrees from the 180 degrees, so we get the angle is 59 degrees. 59 degrees. So the angle in the clockwise direction, so from this line to this line is 59 degrees. So we need to give the 59 degrees as angle. So use the command L enter this end point and give the distance 275 units and hit the tab button. For that, we need to give the angle. The angle is 59 degrees. Click on enter. So now check the angle between this line and this line. So here we can see an option that is angular. So click on that, so that we can able to see the angle between these two lines. So here we can see the angle between these two lines is 121 degrees. So this is how we can able to draw this line. So now I am going to draw this line. So this line is, so again use the line command, L enter, and give this, pick this point, and after that the distance is 129.07. so hit the tab button to give the angle. So here the angle is taking from this line, from this axis, so the angle is 145 degrees, 140, so the angle is 143 degrees. Click on enter, so that we can see the angle from this line to this line is so here we can see the angle, that is 143 degrees. Now after that we need to draw this line with a length of 165 units. So angle is 111. So for that you need to set the UCS. So use the command UCS, click on enter. So pick this as an origin point, and the X direction is parallel to this line, and the Y direction is in this direction. Click on enter. So now the X axis is parallel to this line. So with the help of L enter, so give the length, pick this end point and give the length is 165, hit the tab button, and after that we need to specify the angle. The angle is taking from this reference from X axis. So the angle is 111. Click on enter. So that we have drawn this line. Now after that we need to set this UCS, X axis is parallel to this line. Now again use the command UCS, click on enter. Now pick this as an origin point, and the X axis is parallel to this line, and the Y axis should be in perpendicular to the X line, and in this direction keep it mouse in Y direction. Click on enter. So after that use the command L enter. Now we need to give the, so before that let me show you. So here we can see the angle is total is 152 degrees. Of line command, pick this point, and the distance is 124. Click on hit tab to give the angle. So the angle is 152 degrees. Click on enter, so that a line is drawn. So after that use the UCS command, click on enter and set the origin to this end point, and keep the X axis is parallel to this line, and the Y axis is in this direction, and click on enter. So after that use the command L enter and pick this as an end point. Angle is 131. Click on enter. So that let me check the distance. So let me check the angle to this line is 131 degrees. Now again keep the UCS icon, with the help of UCS enter, and keep this as an origin and make parallel X axis to this line. So in the Y axis this direction, click on enter. Now with the help of line command, so click on L enter and pick this line, and with a distance of 100 meters hit on tab button, and here the angle is 137 degrees. Click on enter. Again use the UCS icon, click on enter, keep this as a origin point and make this X axis parallel to this line, and the Y axis is in same direction. Click on enter. So now with the help of line command, pick this as a end point and give the distance as 234, and click on hit tab to give the angle. So here the angle is taken reference from the X axis. The total angle in parallel to X axis, that is 180 degrees, and the angle between this line and this line which we have given, that is 114 degrees. So when we subtract 114 degrees from 180 degrees, so the remaining angle is 66 degrees. Now give the 66, click on enter. Now check the angle between this line and this line should be 114. So here we can see that the angle between this line and this line is 114 degrees. Now after that, use a line command and pick this point and close this point. So this is after that. So click on this UCS icon and here pick on the origin. So here there is an option world, click on that so that our UCS icon comes to original position. So this is how we can able to draw an irregular polygon with the help of distances and the angles. So this is how we can able to plot an irregular polygon in AutoCAD. So I hope you like this video, and please share this video to your friends, and this PDF I have given in the description. You can download this PDF and you can practice in your home. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Be safe, be happy. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Jai Hind.